It was an easy decision to make to choose to come here. I got the chance to tour the facility before the actual opening, and so when I came here last, some of the equipment was here, but not all of it. And I just remember thinking, this is going to be an amazing rehabilitation center. I would love to come back and, if possible, participate in some of the care that you're providing here. There's a couple of reasons that we do Sharice's shift. I think one of the biggest reasons is because it can be very easy to get disconnected when you spend a significant portion of your time out in Washington, D.C. And this is a really great way for us to make sure that I'm staying connected with folks, that our team is staying connected with folks who are like really the boots on the ground doing the work that impacts our everyday lives. The team that walked me around was pretty phenomenal. And to have one of the patients here agree to let me tag along, I felt very fortunate for that. This patient had actually been here doing rehabilitation, and then through the course of the rehabilitation program that he was on, they realized that he needed a surgery to address some of the issues. And from what I could gather, if it hadn't been for the entire team coming together, the physician, the nurse, the occupational therapist, the speech therapist, like this entire team coming together was the way that they knew, hey, this isn't progressing the way that that we had planned for, and he ended up actually needing an additional surgery. And I think that if that's not an indication about how important it is to use this model of an entire care team coming together, I don't know what is.